Will I see you at the show tonight? Hey.
Hey y'all, Antonette, Shay, welcome back to my channel. So I know y'all see this beautiful wig installed on my head, and when I tell you, I am just like, I'm sick because y'all know I haven't been wearing wigs, and this is like, it's giving all of that. But let's just jump into the details. So I do have in a 24-inch 4x7 wear and go curly unit, and when I'm telling you this unit is literally wear and go, I'm going to show you guys the steps that I did to get this look. But you really do not need to do anything with this hair. Like, straight out the pack, is gorgeous. I did not use any heat. The only heat I use is maybe a blow dryer just to like dry the curls. But y'all, when I say this wig is flat as ever, I did not have to pluck anything. The hairline, what hairline? If you see a hairline, just don't say nothing. But what hairline? Because we know it's a wig, so don't, yeah. But I mean, the hairline is almost invisible, very skin-like. I mean, I have never, never had a wig this good. Like, this good. This wig eats. When I'm telling you, I'm trying to like, I'm about to get me another one. Granted, Alipearl did gift this wig to me, so I want to say thank you to Alipearl. However, y'all know if something's not good, I'm not bringing it to my channel, and I'm not going to recommend it. I highly recommend this wig, especially if you're one of the girls that work like the 9-to-5s. Then yeah, let's get into it. This wig is not only just wear and go, y'all. It's a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached, and pre-cut lace. You don't need to cut any of the lace, but I cut a little bit because I didn't like the little like bubble, the pattern that was used, but you really did not have to, like. And on top of that, you guys know I always have an issue with the cap fitting my head. This wig has the adjustable hooks and the cap, and besides that, I'm a size small. This cap fits my head perfectly to the T. I mean, like, perfectly. I don't understand how excited I am. Like, this wig is really good, and I love a good curly unit. It only took me seconds to install. You do get it in this pretty little gold pack, and y'all know I love gold and black packaging, so I was like, ooh, my aesthetic. And it does come with a stocking cap, and the stocking cap is very like high quality. It's almost seamless, sheer, invisible. You do get your goodies. You get your bands. You get some lashes. I showed all of that to you. I did go ahead and I co-wash the hair. I always wash my hair before I put anything on my head. I think you should too, sis, because you did. You never know. But go ahead, pop that on. And honestly, when you put this wig on your head, you don't need to do anything further. But me, I just want to give a little bit of razzle dazzle. So in styling this hair, I did use some mousse. I did use mousse, and I used like my little brush. And I did go in and I did some like little ringlet curls at the bottom. I do feel like the curls, when you like wrap it around your finger and give it like that ringlet vibe, it just makes the curls look so much better, a little bit more natural, opposed to just like that unfinished like curl. But either way, if you don't like to do it that way, this hair is still really good. I can't wait until it's like 2- and 3-day-old curls, because y'all know I love that big Diana Ross hair. I don't want to cut this yet or anything because it's just so pretty. I think I'm going to leave the length as is and just purchase another unit because, oh my gosh. But it's really lightweight. It does not have a smell or anything, so you don't got that corn chip smell, sis. It's very affordable, very worth your money, under $200. And this is for the girlies that are looking for affordability, because this economy is kind of crazy. But this is like, I just cannot believe. All I did, y'all, I put a little foundation on the lace. I laid it down. I just put a little bit of mousse right here to brush this back so it wasn't too in my face. And I just cannot believe how good this fits. I cannot believe it. Alipearl did their thing with this one. Oh my gosh. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I installed this wig and what it looked like and all of that, and just get into it, stay tuned to the video. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, all the details will be linked down below, so make sure you check that out and use my code. If I don't link it down here, editing Antoinette, remember to link it right here or put it on the screen. If not, it will be down in the description box. Also, please be sure to leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. When you leave a comment, it gives a message to YouTube that you guys like my content, and it pushes out even more. That way you get more and more content. So it's like, you know, help me help you. But anyway, make sure you enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So first of all, y'all, this cap, like I said before, the cap, you see how sheer it is? I just took a little bit of foundation. This was my darker foundation. that I put on. And you know, they do say you got to check the lighting inside the house, outside the house, whatever. But the point is lace is lace. But anyway, I went in with that and I just went ahead and boop, popped the wig on my head because what else was there to do? Honestly, when I put it on my head in this moment, if you are one of those people that kind of, you like this style, you could really wear it like this and keep it moving. But me being me, I wanted to do a little bit more, a little bit extra. I don't know if you guys were able to tell, like where what you call that? The lace was. But as you can see, like you really can go through. This is undetectable. And I just want to show y'all with the comb real quick. This is not glued down, sprayed down. No adhesive, no nothing. Like it's you can take it off and you can put it on. You can take it off and you can put it on. But anyway, I wanted to go ahead and loosen up my curls, define it just a little bit more. So I took some mousse, slapped that on there. I just laid it in the front, that way I kind of push it back and just make it like, you know, frame my face a little bit better. So I did that, girl, and then I went ahead and I'm going a little too fast. I ain't even there yet. You see me fast talking because the wig is so good. Just fast talking, girl. Slow down. Slow down. There you go. Now I put the band on my, you know, on the wig to get the front to lay down a little bit. And then I'm just going in with my brush. And I'm brushing it out. Honestly, I will leave my hair like this. Excuse me, Diana Ross, who? Anywho, but I'm going in with the mousse. And the mousse that I'm using is really, really good for kind of like just laying your hair down because it gets it nice and hard and it holds the curl. Then I use a different mousse to go through the hair to kind of define the curls, loosen them up a little bit. And I like to use my finger to wrap it around the bottom to give it that locked in natural coil kind of look. I feel like it looks a lot better when you do that. It almost like seals in the curl and gives it that really gorgeous like finished curl look. I feel like when you don't do that, your hair just kind of fluffs up more. And for whatever reason, it's almost like when you do this at the bottom, it locks in the curl. Like your hair is not going to separate. I don't know, but you see these few that I'm showing you in comparison to the rest. I went ahead and I finished the rest, and I mean, look at the hair. It's stunning. Oh my gosh, I love